Hey everybody, I am riding my bike out here in the desert. I am east of Yuma. I'm gonna be hopping on the interstate. There's my bike, my sandals. There's me. Hello! Entering the interstate. Interstate 8. Love those brown mountains. They're pretty. They're pretty to me at least. A lot of weeds and junk here on the right. Hello, Mr. Creosote Bush. Very bad narration on my part. Riding my bike on Interstate 8. Not too shabby. I'm going above the eastbound lanes, which is a little weird. I'm not sure why they did that for engineering reasons. But there it is. Look how pretty these mountains are. Beautiful brown mountains. 19 miles to Yuma, 196 to San Diego. I'm only going one more mile up. That's where the summit is, to this little pass. Still working my way up, baby. A lot of vehicles. Yeah, it's noisy. It's all right though. Are there any more cars behind me? 1 or 2 or 3. There you go. This is it. I've made it to the top. Telegraph Pass. And I'm gonna turn onto the median on the right. Oh yeah. Always good. Woo! Still uphill. Woo-hoo! All right, let me get a little bit of rest and some. On the way down! Woo-hoo! Oh yeah! I'm moving. It's time to get off the interstate. That was fun. But it's time for a little bit of relaxing riding now. Lots of fun, baby! Woo-hoo! Thank you for watching. Make it a great day in the desert.